Hello, my name is Liken, and right now I'm going to explain about my code for the final Arduino project. My team, the OGs, is already making a Simon Says game. Basically, it's a pretty simple game. Everybody knows that. And here are the diagram of the Simon Says. So we got four buttons and a switch, this to start the game, and an RGB LED, as well as a servo motor to indicate if the game, if you have won the game. Here's the code. The code is pretty simple. It's actually pretty simple despite how it looks. We just declare some integer, set up some pins, and then in the void loop, if the level is 1, we make a new problem, and if you are winning or when the button have been pushed, the start switch have been switched, we must blink the corresponding color, and also we must get the input from the user, right? So here are the codes. For example, like void show problem is first we take a look of the array at y. If it's 1, it's red, green is 2, 3 is blue, and 4 is yellow. Moving on, here are the code for getting the input from the user. We must use a button flag for this one so that the whole Arduino will wait for the user to input a press before moving on. Because if we do not use the button, the flag system, it will just run past through the program and it will not wait for the user input. So when, for example, the user input button 1, the red button, right? It will set the array of input z to 1, and then we check if the value of input at z is equal to the problem at z. It does not equal to problem at z, it will be wrong, so we are moving on to the wrong function and return. Okay, that's pretty much the same as for all the colors. And then if they did not get wrong, means they are correct, and we are moving to the correct function. In the correct function, if you get it correct, you level up. So it's level plus plus, and then it will blink green 4 times, the LED. And if you have finished the max level, that means the max level is +1, right? The servo will turn 90 degrees and reset the level back to 1. This just to indicate that you have won the game. And if the player lose, it will reset the level back to 1 after that blinking red for 4 times, just to indicate that you have lost the game. Now for the demonstration. Okay, now on to the demonstration. So we got yellow button, blue button. This is supposed to be a green button, but I do not have one, so it will be substituted by a white button. And then we got the red button and also the servo. So I will first just restart the program and I will switch it on. We got red as the first color, so we press red. It will blink green 4 times. Red, green, red, green. It will blink green 4 times, and then red, green, green. So red, green, green. It will blink green 4 times, and then the servo will turn 90 degrees to indicate that I've won. And to start the game over again, we just press, we got a green this time, green. And for example, we got it wrong, so I don't know, green, yellow, so I press like green, blue. It will blink red 4 times as to indicate that I have lost the game. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now for this demonstration, I have only used a max level of 3, but in the real code, we use a max level of 8. Thank you.